Whether you're camping or if you're just relaxing out on your back patio, having a fire pit can really be nice. Luckily, I got this fire pit from Big Fire sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. Yeah, fire pits can be pretty nice, but they can also be a real chore, collecting all the wood and everything to keep the fire pit going. So luckily, there's a solution. This fire pit actually uses pellets. So you just put your pellets and you just put your paper in there to start your fire, and then you get this nice flame right here, and you don't have to worry about collecting and storing all the wood for it. So yeah, not only is this a nice fire pit, it's an actual cook stove for when you're camping. You can have a little fire here to heat up your food.
This is the Bigger Fire pellet stove. In this video, I'm going to go over what's in the box. I'm going to assemble the fire pit. I'm going to give a demonstration of the fire pit, and I'm going to go over the cook stove features. So stay tuned to the end. I'm actually going to put a pan on here and cook up some hot dogs. All right, let's get this video started. Chapter 1, what's in the box? Here's everything that you get in the box. You get the fire pit right here. It's got the logo on the front there that says Bigger Fire. And then you get the parts there that go on the top and the sides. It comes with 4 pieces of glass there. You get an assembly instruction manual there, and you get a carrying bag. Chapter 2, Product Assembly. The first step in the directions say to put this piece on here. This has got an angle to it. It's wider in the back than it is in the front. So same thing with this piece, just put it on there like that. And then for step 2, you put the slats in here, all 4 slats. We got the 4 slats here, and that's these pieces here. And the round piece here, that goes to the bottom so that it can connect in here. Like this. Go all the way around and put these in. With the little thumb screws on there, it makes it easy to assemble and disassemble there. And then for the next step, for step 3, you put that hoop in there. That's this piece right here. Go back to the front there. Then you can see there's little slats inside of here. Here's the little slats in there where you just set it in there. And then for step 4, we're going to put the glass in. And this piece right here is smaller, so you can see the different sizes here. So this piece is a little bit bigger and it goes on the back. And this one's a little smaller, it goes on the front. So these 2 pieces of glass are the same size on each side, and the one in the back is bigger and the one in the front is smaller. But that's what it looks like with the glass on there. And then for step 5, we're going to put the cover and the handles on here. I don't know if those are handles, but the covers and the top piece there, the X-shaped holder. Okay, now we put the top piece on. Same thing here. The smaller piece is the front and the bigger piece is the back. Just slides over to hold everything together. So now it's all held into place. And then we got the top pieces here. This is the X-shaped holder here. It's got some slats in here to put that in there. So this is the holder right here. You could put a teapot or you could put a skillet on there if you wanted to heat something up there. So you can see that's pretty stable there. You can hold a little skillet up there to heat your food. Or you could put a tea kettle up there to heat some water. So yeah, this is pretty nice. All right, let's go ahead and take this outside and put some pellets in it. Chapter 3, Fire Pit Demonstration.
I got the tabletop fire pit set up out here on my table on the back patio. I'm going to go ahead and put some pellets in there. Got my little cup of pellets here. I'll get all these opened up down here. Make sure they're all open, get plenty of airflow in there. To get things going, I just got a little piece of paper here. Gonna drop that in there. Just drop a few little pieces of paper down in there, kind of get everything going good. Looks like the flame's getting started there. Got the little paper down in there, warming up there to heat up the pellets. Yeah, look at that flame. That's really nice.
Chapter 4, Cook Stove Features.
It's got a nice flame up there. We'll go ahead and put this pan on there. Feels pretty stable there. Got a couple of sausages here. We'll put those in the fire there. So like I was saying, you can cook on a skillet here, or you can put a pot on here to boil up some water, but you can see how it's boiling the water there. So yeah, not only is this a nice fire pit to relax around, it's also a great way to cook stuff. I'm cooking up those sausages there in the pan. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice. It does get hot though, so I put it on a stone here on the table. And if you put it on the ground, just make sure you put it in a clear area there, because the bottom does get pretty hot. And you want to wait till it cools before you take it apart to clean it. But you can see the pellets in there are burning up there pretty good. But yeah, I like the way this just shoots out of here like that. Yeah, when they say bigger fire, they sure do mean it. Look at that fire there coming out of this little stove from those pellets. Yeah, that's really heating that pan up good too. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. All right, it looks like these are about done here. All right, I got my hot dog bun out here. And I'll get my sausage and put it on here. Mmm, that's a good hot dog right there. Yeah, this Bigger Fire pit's pretty nice.